Go, on bro grade.
Hey, look, gang shit, we on beats, man.
Liltwin, let's do it. Yo, TT.
Y'all niggas really broke. TT, we been a dog shit. You ain't got no funds, little nigga, you need to stop it. Next nigga mention me, I ain't doing no talking. Pop up at your home, and racks got the tossin'. Quanta do you wrong, smoking nigga while you walking. And I ain't doing no talking, fuck them niggas, they ain't no shit. Just wait till I catch six, I'ma fill them up with this hot shit. My Glock just got a new stick, toss my old one and got a new bitch. They like twin, you need to stop it, just keep dropping that hot shit. But now I can't stop shit, I know Marlo, he gon' blitz. Call a schoon cause he hawk shit, he catch you, he dump the whole clip. Now stop all that tough shit, phone them got that drumstick. Don't diss us, we smoke shit. For them billin' out with that chopstick, you fucked around and got your car flipped. Now I bet you won't talk shit. Fuck Cooper from Hosted. Catch him, he get the whole clip. They like twin, ain't know nothing till I pop her with that button. Shot that bitch, he got the running. And baby, now we not fucking. Pop the yerk and now I'm bustin'. My shorty in the party clutching, and we ain't doing no talking. Catch a op and I hawk and fuck the Jakes up and I lost off a perk. I'm feeling awesome.